In this video, we are going to be taking a very close look at the new Amazon Echo Show 21. This is the largest Echo Show display you can currently buy on the market today. It's really a Swiss Army knife for the smart home. You can control all your smart home devices, look at the weather, play music like a jukebox, comes with its own remote control so you can watch Netflix and Prime Video with it, and so much more. What I really like about it is that it's designed for the modern smart home and for the connected families out there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and look at my top 5 features for the Amazon Echo Show 21. Hi folks, it's Andy Baryer, Handy Andy from handyandymedia.com. And if you're new here, I'm a longtime tech reviewer and also a handyman. So I got this weird skill set, but it really works out when it comes to smart home products and getting them set up. So we're going to be talking about that product right there, the Amazon Echo Show 21. Now, the best way I can describe this product, it's really like a Swiss Army knife of a smart display because it can do so much. And I love how it just kind of mounts onto the wall. It's perfect for the kitchen or any kind of space where you have a lot of people, not only to look at your calendars, but you could use it to play music, watch TV, and so much more. So it just makes sense for me to show the kind of top 5 features that I have kind of experienced using it in my own personal smart home. So to begin, let's go with the first feature, and that is displaying artwork. Now, typically we buy art, we put it on our walls, but what if we could have any type of artwork at any point in time? And what I love about it is you can just set it up, say you're having a party and you're a fan of art, you can just swipe over and look at beautiful artwork. So rather than just buy one painting, now you're gonna have a smart display that can basically turn your any kind of wall or any kind of space into an art display. And I found myself just kind of standing there admiring different types of art as I'm going about my day. I really like this. It will really impress your friends and family when they come over. They're gonna be like, wow, that's great. And if they're fans of art, you're gonna notice that people are just gonna kind of stand there or just swipe through the different types of artwork. A great feature. If you don't use it, you definitely wanna give it a try. Now, the second feature that I like, and this is a big one, it's a home jukebox. If you ever remember those old jukeboxes when you go into like a bar, now you can have that in your home. Not only can you play different types of playlists through Amazon or Amazon Music, it also connects with Spotify as well. So if you have playlists on Spotify, you can play those. Now, the great thing about this is not only does the display play music, but you can set it up with all your other Alexa Echo devices. So you can have multi-room music going on at any point in time. For example, I'm a big fan of George Benson, and I'll go up there right to the top. And I'm gonna press that button, and I've already set up different types of groups. I made one group called Home Speakers. I press that, and then on the bottom, you gotta hit done. I wish you didn't have to hit done, but you do. And then from there, it's gonna broadcast that music into every room. This is great for parties, especially if you put an Echo Show in the bathroom. Someone goes to the bathroom, that music's still playing. It's gonna feel almost like a nightclub. I really like this because you don't have to have the music on loud. Here we have an Echo Show 8, and you can see it's playing on there as well. So, it really makes sense if you have Echo speakers to get this display and use it as a jukebox to play all of your music. You can play it all day long, even at nighttime. You just leave the music on if you like that in your background. Now, the next feature is smart home controls. Because this is a smart display, you could use it to control all of your smart home devices. I just have to toggle down, go to smart home. Yeah, look, you can kind of see me there in the background. Now, it has different types of groups of smart devices, say cameras. Say you have wireless cameras around your home. You can set it up so at any point in time, you can get a live view of what's going on. For example, I have these TP-Link Tapo cameras in my backyard, and look at that. Pinch to zoom. This is a 2K footage camera. Looks great. I get that wide angle view, but if I, for whatever reason, need to zoom in, I can do that just with my hands like you would on a smartphone or a tablet. Now, say you have a delivery, you're waiting for a delivery, you can then use this for your front door. Get it, someone rings the doorbell, you're not sure who it is, you can look at it, You say you're waiting for a package, an Amazon driver's coming. I got it, look at that, pinch the zoom right out my gate. So if somebody arrives, I'm gonna be able to see it. This is a fantastic feature for anybody who has smart cameras. You could also use it with switches, turn different kind of switches on and off. I, of course, use it with my coffee grinders, or sorry, coffee maker, I should say, and then have fresh coffee every morning. And also thermostats. Look, I have an Airbnb suite. I can make sure if people, if they put the heat on too high, I can manually turn it down on the Echo Show 21. Next feature, smart TV with remote. This is the first Echo Show display, I should say, that comes with that built-in controller. Now with the 21, if you want to use it just as a smart TV, not a problem. You can watch Amazon Prime Video. This is great, especially if, like, I don't have this mounted in my kitchen because I don't really have anywhere to put it. But if you imagine if you have a spot in your kitchen where you can do this, you can now cook, watch your favorite shows. You can even watch recipes or whatnot. But here I am just watching Amazon Prime Video. So it's really a smart TV on top of being a smart display. And I love the fact that you have that remote, just one button, you can get access to Prime Video, Netflix, adjust the volume, turn it off, and what have you. So that addition of a remote, especially with the size of this, just makes it a great smart TV. Now, feature 5, the calendar display. Families, you're gonna love this because you can sync all of your calendars in one. So if you have the kids, they got karate lessons or dance lessons, you can have that all nicely displayed on there. If you want to add an event, you can go ahead and just type it in with not a problem. So I'm just gonna remind myself to jump rope first thing in the morning tomorrow, and I wanna make that reminder come up on my phone. I sync this with my Google Calendar, so now everything that I enter onto this calendar is gonna go directly into my Google Calendar. And I love the fact that I can manually do this, just by a couple of taps on the display, but you could also use it through voice. So if you need to remind yourself about something that comes in your head, you can instantly ask Alexa to put it onto your calendar, and she will do it, and then it's there. Alexa, add an event.
Sure, Andy. Which day and what time?
Thursday, December 5th,
For what time?
10:30 a.m.
And what's the name of the event?
Costco trip.
Okay, I've added that.
Just like that, folks, you can add things to your calendar. This is going to be a lifesaver, especially if you always like a physical calendar, but now it's physical, it's digital, and it's voice. This is an absolute game changer for families, especially when you're trying to remember birthdays and different types of events. So folks, if you're looking for an all-in-one smart display, the Echo Show 21 is one of the most versatile smart displays on the market today. It can do just about everything. Of course, it can check the weather as well. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I have some more videos, and if you want to get the most out of your smart home, you definitely want to like and subscribe and to see what other weird and wacky things I'm going to be up to in the future. But this is a great device, highly recommended. I give it 5 stars, especially for smart homes and technologically savvy families. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy.